Trend Micro. So these are some of the things that really sets us apart from any other identity theft coverage that's out there. So Trend Micro, I mean, you get the virus, we got the antidote, okay? So cybersecurity and device protection. So we're going to protect your devices from viruses, malware, ransomware. We're going to set you up with a VPN, which is a virtual private network. Do you know, in the privacy of your own home, you are still on a public Wi-Fi. So you still need to get a VPN. And then we also have password managers. So it was so cool. And then reputation management for you social people out there on social media. And then identity consultation. We also give you a 24-hour hotline for this. And here's another thing that really, truly, honestly sets us apart from all the other identity theft programs is our licensed private investigators will do whatever it takes for as long as it takes to restore your identity back to pre-theft status. And then we're also going to set you up with a $3 million identity theft protection.